It's too funny. What the fuck is going on? Oh, here we go. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the fuck just happened. The fuck was that about? That was fucking weird. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think they hacked me, bro. I said don't hack me. You know what's funny? I fucking won that trade, that take profit, that Top Step trade. I wasn't even paying attention. I was like, fuck, I got to get back on the stream, and I heard order filled because it was 410. 410 came and I was up, so I got $267 on the day. Yeah, he doxed me. I rage quit. I rage quit because of the fucking General Chows. God damn it. No good General Chows out here. I'm outie. That was weird though. I didn't do any. It just fucking ended. And then I went and looked at Restream, and the Restream screen, this is, what I use. I use Restream. The fucking the whole page was just blue. It was weird. Real weird. Are we going to pump here? I mean, we already did. We're up 30 points. Yeah, we're not no more. Hey, stop. Don't make me talk about General Chow's chicken anymore, guys, because I'm going to get pissed. I'll be right back. I need more coffee. You know what's funny, Coach Chris? There's a spot right by my house called New York Chinese food. It's not New York Chinese food. What up, STC? It's going. You know what's fucked up, guys? Look at where we bounced. We're up. I got bottom ticked in these two take profit trader accounts, and we're up, look, 60 fucking points, 55 points. 55 fucking points. I don't know, Jay Store is like on the strip. The sushi's good on the strip. And there's some really good steakhouses out here. No, I don't. I think they make you keep some of your profit in there. I don't really know. They make you keep some of the profit in there, and then you work from there. From what I understand, I haven't gotten that far. I'll let you know when I get there. ACH Wise with a W, PayPal, but they do it all through Plaid. They use Plaid, Plaid, whatever the fuck it's called. You know, I don't know. I'm so fucking annoyed right now. Let me fucking curb my annoyedness. No, I'm not falling for this again. Look, the same thing fucking happened here, and then it retested the VWAP and then rejected. So I'm going short. Let's see what happens. They'll probably go against me, but whatever. Uh-oh. Probably going to go against me. Maybe not. I don't know. I haven't traded an Apex eval in a bunch of days. See, it bounced off the 34. I had a buy order at the 34 and I canceled it. 168. Whatever. I'm over today. I can't wait for today to end, trading wise. Most of the accounts that matter to me are in good shape. This is just an eval. I don't really fucking care. I have 4 funded accounts. I didn't trade this one because I'm waiting on my payout request to be approved. These 3 I traded. They're all up. I fucked these 2 accounts up on this. I got caught in this fucking flash dump, and literally it came all the way back up. But then I went in long in my 100K and got 960 from that pop. I traded my brand new funded futures accounts for the first time. That's 18 and 19. They are now 22 and 23. Got them up 150. Got my first day of $100 or more in their starter accounts. I got my trade day up 370 bucks. I called that a day. I did that during the stream overnight. I mean, I'm in 7 right now. I'm in 7. So yeah, here's orders. This will take me to 10 if I get filled on these 2 orders, which it looks like I'm going to, because it just won't keep going down for me. Because why? Fuck them. That's why. Newts, what up? Yeah, it's just an eval. They're just evals, bro. Yeah, thanks, Gainway. Just got caught in some bullshit here, unfortunately. But I still have the accounts, and they're still green, so it's not the end of the world. But I did definitely suffer a major setback in those accounts. It fucking sucks. It's always the take profit trader accounts too. Why couldn't that be some other shit I don't give as much of a fuck about, like an Apex account? It's always the take profit trader accounts. It's so fucking annoying. Are you serious? That's fucking crazy, J Stores. Is he a big guy? Like, is he tall? I know his son looks tall. He's cool as hell, man. Talk about like, like I have like, whatever. We have like we got a bunch of catchphrases here and shit. He's like the king of fucking buzzy catchphrases. Grits and gravy, yo. Vito. Yeah, I got kicked off the stream before. I don't know what happened. We started talking about Chinese food and how bad it was out here, and I fucking threw my laptop across the fucking screen, and it ended across the room, and it ended the stream. I was like, Whack Arnold's is tearing his family apart. I don't know. Something was going on with Restream. That was fucking weird. But YouTube has been having outage issues. YouTube has been having issues. Let's see if I'm still pending. Motherfucker, still fucking pending. Down Detector was reporting a bunch of YouTube issues. See? So I think it's something must have happened with the connection between Restream and YouTube. The API connection must have fucking got disconnected or some shit because it just ended. I didn't end it. It just fucking stopped working. Oh, shit. Give it to me. Give it to me, please. Take me out of 5 here. Don't fade me. Keep going. Don't come back up. Don't be a fucking, don't do that. Don't be like that. But I'm in 7. Keep going down. Drop it. Keep going. You fucking piece of shit. Coach, chill out, maybe. Yeah, you know what I'll do? I just don't like giving back all my fucking gains. Here we are at the 34s. Are we gonna bounce off the 34? Probably. Hold my hand, baby. We're getting this cake. I'm gonna get stopped out. I'll move it up here a little bit. Oh, shit. Don't get too excited. No, yeah, see? Bouncing right off the fucking 34 SMA. Fuck you, but whatever. That was a good trade. That worked. That was cool. Take Profit Cam. Coach Take Profit Cam is in the building. Yo, gain weight. Are you green yet? Oh wait, no, you're not. Or maybe you are, but are you still holding that long? I mean, the short. You've been in that short all day. You said. Did you get any profit? Yo, good thing I got out, right? Right off the 34s. The 34 SMA, man. Obviously, it doesn't happen all the time, but look, don't sleep on it. The SMA and the EMA, fucking powerful. All right, good, gain weight, good. Because sometimes people, and I'm guilty of it too. Someone was hanging out on the stream the other day. He was in a My Fund the Future Starter Plus account and didn't realize that there was a 50% consistency rule on evals. And he was holding to get the whole thing, and he got real close to getting all like 3,000. And I was like, bro, you could only get 1,500. You don't want to get more than 1,500 in one day because of the consistency rule. And he was in short, and he had it. He had more than enough, and he just fucking held all the way. And we haven't seen him since. TMB, he's fucking funny. He's like, he's a lot like me. I fucking done that so many times. Eric K, I did it like 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, I did it I probably did the request at like 4 or 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern. I did it while I was streaming last night. I did it for the stream or this morning. I don't know, however you want to call it. I didn't want to do it right at midnight because last time, October 1st, I did it right when the clock struck midnight, and it took 8 days for them to fucking approve it. And other people were telling me, "Oh, I got approved in an hour. I got approved in a day. I got approved in 3 hours." You know, and I'm sitting here for fucking 8 days. So it's been like I don't know. Maybe it's been a little more than 12 hours, I'd say, since I requested. But still pending. We'll see. I do know that once they do approve it, the money comes fucking fast. Fast as fuck. Yeah. See, when you hit 20,000, that's what I do know. When you get to 20,000 in profits, not in the same day, but when you get to 20,000, then you have no choice but to get a live account with that account. You think so, Brandon? Maybe. All I'm saying, if you guys, Coach John Wilcox, it puts the lotion on the skin. What a movie. What a fucking movie. Do you want to fuck me? I'd fuck me. Rick, there's no daily loss limit on expert, and you have more flexibility with how many what position size you could have, but you have to go up higher. I don't know. There's a couple of things. Starter is easier to get paid on because you just need 5 days of $100 or more. With a 50 or 200 or 300 or more with 100 or 150. Let's see. Expert, 50K. Let's say 50K. Expert. Profit target 4,000. Max position 5 contracts. No daily loss limit, which is a soft reach on the starter. It's not the end of the world. Drawdowns end of the day. Activation fee. No, there's no activation fee on starter or expert. There's no scaling rule. You don't have to worry about micro scaling. I don't even know what that means, but you can scale micros. No consistency rule. There's a 40% consistency rule on the starter account, so it's a little more. There's less limitations. No activation fee, no consistency rule, no minimum evaluation days, payout every 14 calendar days. This you could get every 5 days, but they do flip you to live eventually. Extra max daily drawdown on 50K account size. So I think the drawdown is higher. No, it's not. It's the same. It's actually less. It's less. I don't know. I like the starter better. It's half the price too. Oh, nice. Coach MLH. Is this your first payout altogether? Yo, great job, man. I'm super happy for you, bro, and thank you. Let's pound congratulations on your first payout with Apex. Is this your first ever payout prop firm trading? Coach, chill out. Right now, I hope forever, Coach, chill out. But it's okay if you move on, if someone else cooler and better comes along or whatever, I understand. Let's pound that confetti for MLH. Great fucking job, man. There was another shooting in Orlando. Jesus. Just remember, whatever they tell you on the TV is bullshit. Whatever happened, they say happened is not how it went. If it happened at all. Great job, MLH. Super happy for you, man. Since we were talking about my funded futures, here's my link. The best link in the world. The best coupon code in the world. But they're weird with their fucking shit now. They don't want you. They won't let anybody's coupon code work on the credit card and crypto payment methods. What are we doing with the charts here? Oh my God. What the fuck happened? Look at that bounce from the, look, we went from 60 to fucking like 18 points. Is it going to do it again? No. Damn, I missed it. I could have passed this shit by now. Fuck. Fuck. Let's keep going, please. Keep going. Give it to me. I'll take that. But keep going. I'll take it, but keep going, please. Oh. Oh. All right, I added a little bit. What, 200 bucks? Oh, nice. Hey, that's still good, man. That's still great, bro. That's awesome. And that's the goal. That's the goal, right? The gun did it. Yeah, it was the gun's fault. Oh, is this gonna fucking? Where did I get taken out? Down here. Of course, it's still going. That always happens to me. I got to learn to hold a runner. Fucking A. What is that? Another 6 points. Take profits, daily loss limit rule applies everywhere. The only time, what's up, Florencia? The only time it goes away is when you have your Pro Plus account, which is a live account. No way. Florencia, it's okay. You know what? I almost feel like you could make more money just trading, just growing the pro accounts. You'll be all right, Florencia. You're a fucking savage. Here's my link for my funded futures, by the way, if anybody was interested. Let me just do, I'm going to check something. I'm going to check to see. Oh, it's now 15% off. You know, it's 15% off now. For the 25%, 25K milestone is 15% off, not 10. Not 25, it's 15 now. Let's see what the other ones are. And it works across all payment methods. Interesting. All right, let me just, I'm just testing out on my other computer. So code ZERODAYJay on milestone works 15% off on the 25K. So I think it's 10% on the other ones. I'm going to confirm that right now. 10% off on the other sizes. So 25% now, 25K milestone now 15% off. The 50s, 100s, and 150s are still 10% off. And it works on every payment method: credit card, debit card, crypto, and bank. The expert and starter, the discount only works for any coupon code, anybody's code, not just mine. Anybody's code, it only works on Plaid. Otherwise, like a 50K starter is 80 bucks. And if you still want to support the channel, you can still put my code in. It'll acknowledge it. Click on my link in the description below or in the chat. Let's see. I'm just double checking to see if that's still the case. Yep. It still applies the coupon code. It just, you don't get a discount unless you use the bank option. It's only 5% off on starter anyway. I think expert's 10% right now. So it's 229. 229 times 0.15. So it's 100. It's less than $200 for a 25K straight to funded account with my funded futures. The other ones are big money. The other ones are, they're up there. I'm not gonna lie about that. 229. You take 15% off of that one, and then it's 445, 555, or 665, and you get 10% off of those. Luke, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. I think your payout's going to get approved. Yeah, I can't, bro. I don't even want to. It's not even worth it. They always find out. I appreciate the gesture, man. I really do. They always find. I could go do that right now. I could go right now and get some. Why milestone? The difference between milestone, well, starter and expert. The starter and expert plans are evals. The milestone is there straight to funded, Coach Sider. Milestone is straight to funded, and they have levels. You hit certain levels, you get paid, and then they push you. You do it 4 times, they push you to live. Yeah, I could literally go get some right now. I could literally I could order it on my computer. Yeah, Luke, for real. Yeah, for real. Oh, what kind of? Oh, wait a second. What are we talking about here, Luke? What hold muscle are we talking about, bro? But, but yeah, like literally, I could order it on my computer and then drive there and just sit outside, and they'll bring it out to me. That's how easy it is out here. Nice, yeah, Coach Chris, man, that's great, bro. That's a great job. I did a little something in my Top Step account. I added 267. This was gifted to me by Jay Money. LFT, what's good? Coach LFT's in the building. Franny, nah, yeah. Nah. I feel bad because I know that there's a kid on there called Coach Jay. He's an actual coach in real life, like outside of Top Step. Like he coaches some sort of sports team or some shit. Maybe he's like a teach. Well, I don't know. I think he's always on the Top Step live, so I don't know. Maybe one of his kids plays a sport and he coaches his kids' team. Because I did that when my son played soccer. I coached my son's soccer team. And I was always like, even if I wasn't the coach, I was always like the assistant coach without having the title. Yeah. I don't, Kato, I tried the tick charts. It looks the same. I'm like, it's the same shit. It just looks the same to me. I don't know. Bro. I'm just trying to get better. Like every day in every way, I'm getting better and better at trading. And I'm just trying to master. My goal is just to master what I'm looking at. If I could master what I'm looking at, and you'll never have full mastery, but if I could just continue working towards mastery with what I already look at, I don't need to worry about tick charts, Heikin-Ashi, Renko charts, any of that shit. And that's just how that's the way my thought process is with all this shit. Just get good at what you look. I just want to get better at what I'm looking at. And I think I am. I just requested another fucking payout pending. And these accounts, look at these other accounts. These accounts are growing. 674. This one's up almost 1,000. This one's up 682. I just had this one fucking hiccup. I got fucked in this fucking dump. And then it literally went all the way back up. But, it is what it is. I could have fucking rage quit after that. But no, I went in long with this account, got 960. I traded my funded futures, these brand new funded accounts, got my first day of $100 or more in both accounts. This is in the later faders group. Now I still have this don't fade me bro group of these two. These two are going to drop off. I don't know why they're still in here, but I don't have these accounts anymore because these two accounts, 18 and 19, are now 22 and 23. I'm up in my fucking trade day account. I'm closing in on passing, right? Then I'll have, if I could just get another $481, I'll have a funded trade day account next week. So what I'm doing is working. It's just, sometimes it's most of the time it's because I'm a fucking idiot. Money Hub. What's up, Coach Money Hub? Yeah, Marlon Johnson. I do look at the higher time frames. I'm on the hourly right now. We bounced off this. Look, we bounced off the 618. Look at that shit on the fucking fib and the pivot point on the hourly. I look at the 15. I don't even really look at the 5 minute all that much. I look at the 15 and the hourly more than anything. And sometimes I'll take a peek at the 4 hour. But the hourly and the 15 is what I've been looking at a lot lately off of Trade Evade. And then on Trade Evade, I'm on the 1 minute. Because, just because of my position sizing, I just feel like the 1 minute appropriate for the position sizing that I take. Because if I'm trading minis and I'm looking at the 5 minute, 15 minute, like that shit can move around so much that I might hit my drawdown. I might lose all my drawdown. So I got to be careful. And I'm not, I have no intention of trading micros anytime soon. Oh, yeah, of course, Marlon. What makes you fail from take profit trader evaluation? The daily loss limit. The daily loss limit, look, it almost got me today because of one bad fucking trade. And then I literally got bottom ticked. It went down to 25. It dropped a little bit lower to 22.75, and it fucking bounced like 60 points. Of course. But the daily loss limit gets me personally, because of shit like this. I wasn't expecting this to happen. This candle right here, I was hoping for a little bit of a bounce here, and it just shot straight down because it was the fucking algo candle. So it happens. It is what it is. I will be getting habitual payouts from Take Profit Trader. Mark my words. Hopefully my goal is for it to start this month. But if not, I'm cool with getting it from Apex. I'm cool with getting it from My Funded Futures. I'm not going to fucking complain where I get it from. But I really want it to come from Take Profit Trader. They don't have any DCA rule. Basically, Apex at this point, when their fucking bullshit new rules fucking go into play, they're basically like Take Profit Trader, but they have more rules. So there's no consistency rule. There's a 50% consistency rule on test accounts with Take Profit Trader. Now, let's move this fucking chart here so you guys can see that still while I'm talking about this shit. There's a 50% consistency rule on the test side, on the eval side. And there's a 5-day minimum with Take Profit Trader. After that, once you're funded, there's no consistency rule. You can DCA, you can microsell, you could crack a trade, you could hold positions less than 15 seconds. You could have inconsistent position sizing. You could lose 80% of your fucking drawdown and they don't care. Unlike Apex. You could go down, you could almost eat up your entire drawdown in one trade, and it doesn't matter. You won't get in trouble for it. You can gamble the opening range breakout. You can have inconsistent position sizing. You can trade earnings. They just don't want you trading FOMC. They don't want you trading CPI, and they don't want you trading non-farm payroll. I was saying non-farmer payroll for the longest time, and I got made fun of for it during the stream. So I said from now on, I'm going to call it informa payroll. So they don't want you trading FOMC, CPI, and informa payroll. And then they don't want you trading crude. If you trade crude oil, they don't want you trading during crude oil inventories. And if you trade bond-related shit, they don't want you trading during bond auctions. You could have as many as 5 funded accounts. You could get paid after day one. You just got to get over the buffer. You could get paid literally every single fucking day. They're great. And now Apex is basically going to be the same thing because they're going to have a buffer now. They call it a safety net, but it's the same shit, but they have more bullshit fucking rules. You gotta fucking, you're trading, and I like Apex, but compared to Take Profit Trader, it's like walking on eggshells. And I'm sitting here, now I can tell you one other thing. You don't sit here waiting days wondering if your fucking payout request is gonna get approved. As long as you don't violate the fucking trading news rule. Oh, and also do not hold the position into the close. Don't forget to close out your trade when the market closes, because you will lose the account. They don't care if it's funded or not. It doesn't matter. Same goes for trade day. I actually did that. I did that earlier this week, or last week. I was around 1600, and I fucking forgot to close out. I was literally in the trade like a degenerate till the very end, and I didn't close it out in time. Not even that I forgot. I don't know what happened. I was like being a fucking idiot, and I blew the account because of it, even though I was up a fuck ton. So I had to grab this account, get a new one. But hey, I'm getting close to passing. Bum da bum 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 bum. Coach Alex, what up, Coach FOMO? Why is it so hard? I don't know, because we're all maybe enamored with the idea that we could get paid on day one and every single day, and we just do dumb shit when we're trading the account. Or the dumb shit we do in other accounts and get away with, you can't get away with and Take Profit Trader because of the daily loss limit. Yeah, SEC. Exactly. And there's plenty of other options out there. Yeah, I'm not worried about Apex. People say that Apex is going to be gone in a year. I don't think so. I think a lot of other platforms will be gone and Apex will still be standing. But that's just me. I could be wrong. But, I just remember it wasn't that long ago that they were fucking encouraging people to be earners and burners. They literally had a video promotion saying, here's how you can make 80 grand next month. Go get fucking 20 funded accounts. Go get 20, 50K accounts funded, right? And then copy trade them all and get them all to fucking $2,600 in profits. Request a payout, do it twice in the month, and there's your 80 grand. They were literally encouraging it. Now all of a sudden, those people are considered earners and burners and schemers and scammers. So, I don't like that's the shit I don't like about Apex, is how they communicate and how they about face on the shit that they encourage people to do. They encourage that behavior, the full-blown degen behavior. Now all of a sudden it's a problem because the fucking Fed boys are breathing down their necks. All the CME wants a cut of, they want a piece of the action. They're not getting enough of the action. So now they're going to fucking clamp down on all the prop firms, and Apex is one of the biggest ones. That's what's going on. So it's just fucking annoying. But it could be worse. When I get approved on my payouts, I get paid the next day. And even when they weren't paying that fast, I was getting paid within a week. Unlike some other prop firm that literally has IOUs going out to people, and they made people wait fucking 6 weeks to get paid, and retroactively change their rules to fuck a fuck ton of people out of their money. But they are starting to pay some people, so whatever. Nice job, Renato. Coach Renato in the building. Great job. You can't put a hard stop on it. It won't let you in Trade Evade. On Take Profit Trader, you can't. It's built. Watch, I'll show you. So look, it's already defaulted from the provider. For whatever reason, I can't change that. Watch, I'm going to say 3,000. It won't let me save it. See, it doesn't save. But if I do it in my funded futures, right, or Apex, it works. Even though it's defaulted to 1,200 from the provider, because that's the soft breach daily loss limit. You don't lose the account when it happens. But if I do 3,000 here, it'll work. It'll save it. See? Oh, daily losses should be lesser than or equal to 1,200. That's interesting. Oh yeah, but you know why? Because why would it? So let's just say 1,000. See, it's saved. So there it is. It's saved. But I'm gonna get rid of that because I don't care. I'm not worried about that. What's all that's another thing I like about my funded futures. I hit the daily loss limit in these two that I just passed. I hit the daily loss limit like 2 or 3 times, at least twice, and I still was able to. I still had the accounts, and I ended up passing them anyway. It's fucking great, and I didn't pay an activation fee. I paid $76 for these accounts each, and then I had 2 funded accounts that didn't cost me any more. It's fucking great. They're great, and they pay fast as fuck. And they're always putting out. They're always improving. They're always trying to be better. Their customer support is good. What up, Cube? Yo, where you been, Cube? Oh shit, Trevor LeConte's here. Coach Trevor LeConte's here. Coach Cube's here. What's good, Cube? SEC. I mean, maybe their business plan is better than some other prop firms. Most other prop firms. But the best part about everything STC, hey, Trevor LeConte's here. You know what you guys got to do when he's here. You got to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. He's here. Coach Kevin Pham. How many days to pass the eval on a starter? 1. Starter and expert is 1 day to pass. The starter plus had that consistency rule, and now the starter plus isn't available anymore. They got rid of it. Yeah, today, Mr. Singh, today was, it is, yeah, exactly, STC. It is better than, yes, much better. When you get approved for your payout, you get your money. You know? But they do, you know, they do fucking make people wonder if they're going to get paid just based on, you never know if they're going to fucking, you know, what rule you're going to violate. So, you know what I do with all the rules? I don't give a fuck about their rules. I just trade. Like, very good chance this account right here, this account was down 110. I almost nuked this account today. I definitely had a trade that I was down more than the fucking 30%. I don't know if that rule is even in play right now, but I was definitely down more than 30% of my allowable, whatever that bullshit is. And you know what? Guess what I did do? That's what I didn't do. I didn't give a fuck. I could give a fuck less. All I cared about was not nuking the account and trying to get it out of the doldrums and get it green. And I finished green. So that's all I care about. They want to fucking say, oh, you know what? If I could get this to a payout and I request a payout, and they're like, on fucking November 1st, you did such and such. So I'm like, whatever. I'll just keep trading the fucking account. But if I would have adhered to their rules and all that bullshit, first of all, it would have driven me crazy, always trying to do the fucking math. And, maybe I wouldn't have gotten it back because I would have been so worried about that shit. Maybe I would have nuked it just because I was worried about, I had extra anxiety on top of the anxiety I caused myself by getting down so much in the account. Cider. Yeah. I think that's a good thing, right? When you're trading, not giving a fuck. Yeah, STC. They play mind games with us, but it's only if you let them. You know, there's a saying, you either control your mind or it controls you. So, it's a constant fucking thing that, I'm not perfect. I'm getting better, but, I'll have my days. There's, it's not like I'm not going to have one of those days where it's like, look what I did today, guys. And like, this whole fucking account is red. I did it the other day. What day was that? Last Friday. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this account. Look at my funded futures account. Look at this. I could not get out of my own way. I had a 100K account. That shit's gone. I blew that. I blew that the fuck up on like Monday. And then, look, all of these accounts. Look, 18 and 19. Every fucking account was red. 18, 19, 20, 21. 17's gone. 18 and 19, 20, and 21 are still here, right? What did I end up doing? I passed them. Now look at 18 and 19. I passed that shit. Look at 20 and 21. They're up $1,000. Look at 20, 18 and 19 are now funded accounts. It's going to happen. You just got to move forward. You got to keep pushing forward. It sucked. Absolutely fucking blew. F trades. Thank you, man. But I'm definitely not the goat of trading. Maybe I'm the goat of not fucking giving a fuck. I mean, F trades, I get it, bro. I mean, but dude, like, did your payout get you're waiting 6 weeks for your payout though, and you may or may not get it. I don't know. I'd rather fucking wait 5 days to get approved, and get my money the next day. Then get fucking rug pulled and be told, I commit to never rug pulling your payouts again. Could you fucking imagine? And then make people come on a fucking stream in the Discord begging to get paid. Oh, please, Caesar, can you please pay me? Please. Get the fuck out of here. But you know what? It's your money, right? Just like I choose to spend my money with Apex, you choose to spend your money with them. I don't care where you get your money from. As long as you get paid, that's all I care about is people getting their money. Get fucking paid. Let's all get fucking money from this shit. It's us versus the prop firms. I made a lot of good guesses today, Mikey. I guessed my way in and I guessed my way out. The only one I fucked up with these two accounts, I got caught in this fucking flash dump, and sure enough, it went all the way back up. But I couldn't take the risk of trading them and hitting the daily loss limit, so I just said fuck it. And now I got to sit on this until Sunday. That's fucking annoying. Yeah, exactly. You have trades, and even I'm telling you, like all the fucking bullshit between me and them, you know, because I put out that video and I would not fucking kiss the ring and endorse them or anything like that, and people were like, "Yo, what about Fast Track? What about Fast Track?" I was like, I'm not feeling it. I'm not fucking with them. You know, all that shit. I always said, I want them to be around. I want them to succeed, because if they succeed, that means nobody's getting fucked. I don't want anything bad to happen to them. I don't care. Like, I want everybody. I don't care where you get your money from. I could care less. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that we fucking get paid what we earn. If we earn a payout, you get fucking paid. I don't care where it comes from. Yeah, they threat to trade. They fucking gaslight you. That's fucking crazy. It's crazy over there. And I'm the fucking asshole. What do I know about Trade Iffy? They do pay, but everybody said the same thing about fucking Fast Track. They're paying. I got paid. Well, I got paid. But I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of the CEO just because I know him I know his past. The CEO has dig some rug pulls on his customers in the past, and the not so distant past. So hopefully he's got some people helping him run the business, and I think he is. I think he does. But he fucked some people over he fucked a bunch of people out of their money before he pivoted, you know, and you know, rebranded himself as a prop firm trader and then started his own prop firm. So, you know, that's why I don't really fuck with them. I'd rather just my fund the futures. I know they're gonna fucking pay me. You know, I don't know. There's gonna be more. I don't know. They're too new for me also. But so far so good. They're paying everybody. That's all that matters. Best stars. What up? I've said it so many times. But I'll tell you one thing. I learned the Fibonacci from him. I learned the fib from him. The golden pocket. I learned this right here from him. Look what we did here. 618. We bounced off the 707. We wigged down to the 707 on the hourly candle. We bounced off of that shit. We bounced fucking, you know, 60 points. But I don't know. He used to have a signal service for options. He had a couple of partners. He had one partner for the longest time. And then they brought in another guy that was really good at trading, knew his shit, would put out videos on YouTube all the time. All of a sudden, they both disappeared off the face of the earth, and Brett was still around somehow. It's almost like Brett got forced to turn him into the feds or some shit. I don't know what happened. It's just weird. But he used to have a copy trader. He used to do this copy trading thing. You'd have to give him like $5,000 or $10,000. I don't even know the number, maybe more. And he would take everybody's money and pull it together and copy trade options with it. And everybody got fucked. A bunch of people got fucked out of that money towards the end. And then he was doing an NFT. He was doing an NFT where he said, this is going to be like a hedge fund. I'm going to take all the money and trade crypto with it. And then I'm going to share the profits. Everybody's going to be on a profit share. Bunch of people pay. I don't even know how much those things were. $2,500, $5,000. You know, they were expensive. And everybody got fucked out of that money. So twice people got rug pulled by him. And then he pivots. Not too long after that, the signal service goes away. He pivots into prop firms. He's trading Apex, streaming, and all that shit. And he's a cool guy. Like, I don't hate him. I just don't want to give him. I'm just not trusting him with my money at anytime soon. He's got to reprove himself to me. You know, and then all of a sudden he has a prop firm 6 months after he's, you know, pivoting with Apex. And then he would also like say, you know, people would call him out. I remember this shit. He would fucking be like, yo, look how much money I made trading futures today. And he was showing his fucking prop firm money. He could have been evals for all we know. And people started calling him out on that shit before he pivoted completely to prop firm shit. Yes. Yo, P. Yo, P. What happened? Yeah, what happened to fucking Kevin? Where's Kevin and Scrub Jennings? Where did they go? They literally fucking disappeared. Like they're in the witness protection program. They're gone. Yeah, Tar, drawdown. Yeah, the EO end of day drawdown. The drawdown. It's end of day on eval and funded. Who's Jake? Was that one of the oil guys or some shit? A lot of those dudes that had the signal programs fucking, they got fucking raided by the feds because they were pumping fucking like, they were pumping shit that didn't have a lot of volume and they would basically pump and dump it on people. And Brett wasn't doing that because Brett was, you know, Brett and Kevin, they were doing, you know, they were doing like the big ones. You know, they would trade fucking, you know, the meme stocks. They would trade options with the meme stocks and fucking, you know, Apple and fucking, what's the fucking one on Baidu and all that shit, the Chinese stocks, Amazon, Tesla, they did all that shit, the SPY, you know, the Qs. Yeah, in and out traders, see? Yep. You account followed their rules, you still got denied. You got retroactively denied, didn't you? It's fucked up. Coach chill. Coach chill out. Coach chill out on the mix. No problem, Tar. No problem, Coach Tar. See, I don't even remember who Jake was. I just know there were a couple of dudes that did like, they focused on crude. They did a lot of crude. They would just post their shit that they saw with crude. You know, they had the whole Telegram thing. I was paying for that shit. Yeah. Yeah, Cube. Yeah. Cube, it's crazy, bro. Oh, I didn't even know who Jake was. Mine might have been after me. I just know that it was Brett and Kevin. Kevin was awesome. Kevin. I think Kevin was a better trader. Kevin would fucking draw the levels out. He would literally. So he would grab the fucking, let's say the Qs. He would fucking draw out. He would draw his own fucking lines, and he would base his trades on the shit that he drew. He charted like a motherfucker. I remember watching that video and I did it a bunch of times, man. That shit was good. It just was a lot of work, but he was good. And then I learned the fucking the fib, the golden pocket from Brett. And there's a dude called Trading Wars that fucking really good with the fib. He talks about it. He talks like this. He's like, you see, guys, all you had to do, guys, was play the 707 bounce. Look, we bounced off the 618, guys. Trading Wars. That guy's fucking good. He trades options though. He doesn't do futures. He's not a futures guy. He's big on like the SPY. I think he trades the SPY more than anything. Yup. Yeah, it's good. I won't ever put all of my eggs in the golden pockets basket. It's good when there's other points of reference that are indicating that could happen. You know, that's for me personally. And like the thing about like the fib is like, you could kind of draw the fib. You could basically start the fib anywhere you want to suit your bias. So like this was the last low. This is technically where you should start the upward moving fib, right? But I could fucking expand it, like, because I may not like the way it looks there, so I'll expand it to this low. Like, oh, okay, look, you see, guys, it bounced off the 618 because I had it there, or and if I don't like that, I can make it come a little bit more down. Like, okay, you see, guys, there it is. You know, so that's the thing about the fib that I don't put all of my eggs in the fibs basket. But I've been looking at the fib. I like to look at it after the fact or like during, like, oh shit, look where we're at. But that's not the end all be all for me, for sure. Yeah, exactly, Gus. Yeah, Trading Wars is a shit, right? Oh, he does trade futures? I love Trading Wars. He's always, Alfred, tell me he doesn't say it. He's like, you see, guys, he makes it sound so easy. He's like, so here's what I did. So right here, he trades the opening range breakout too. I haven't watched his videos in a while, but he wrote a book. He's got a book, how to guess. Well, he's much better at guessing than I am. He's a really good trader. He has a paid Discord room and shit like that. But he's like, hey guys, you see, guys? Oh, be good. Oh, what up, Avneet? What's up, traders? Hey guys, you see what happens here? Look, we bounced right off the 618, guys. Oh man. Oh, the market's closed, by the way. Nice little pop here. A little pop to close things out. I mean, aside from this, I'm happy with the work I did today. This sucks. I still have the account, so it's a win. I still have the accounts. I still have a decent amount of drawdown. I'm still green. This I moved up really good. I need only a little bit more than 4,000 to pass that. I actually traded a fucking Apex eval. All the funded accounts I wanted to trade are green, so I'm making progress there. I saved this one. This one was literally on its deathbed, and I saved it and actually finished green. So that was fucking awesome. That was awful. That was an awful fucking hour and a half for me. That's why I didn't really trade a lot of my accounts. And then I got my first day in of $100 or more with my funded futures on my brand new funded accounts. So that's awesome. I'm 20% of the way there. And then on my trade day account, I got up $370. I'm closing in on passing this fucker. Looking forward to that. I'm gonna try to get it done on Monday. If I could get it done on Monday, I just need, what do I need? $481? Less than 481. But let's just say $481 and I'm good to go. Top Step, I literally took this trade right into 410 and got $267. I did it for J Money. I didn't see J Money on the stream, but I hope he's doing good. Yeah, Alfred, fuck yeah. What size account do you have, Alfred? Alfred's popping his take profit trader cherry. Pound that confetti like roast beef for Alfred. No, I did. That's exactly what I did. Investors, I mean, that's what I did to get my first payout. I did $100 or more. Oh, so you got over the buffer. What was the buffer? 30. The buffer on a 100K is 3,000. Yeah. What are you at? Like 4,000 plus? I forgot what you said you were at. I think you were at like 4,200 or something like that. They pay fast. It might take a little longer because the weekend's here. So if you request today, you're probably not. You might have to wait to the weekend to request. But if you request today or tomorrow or whatever, you won't get the money till Monday. But you'll get it. It'll be bright and early. Fuck yeah, Alfred's getting paid. Alfred is becoming he's been a habitual payout receiver, but he's habitually a habitual payout receiver now at this point. He got paid. He finally got his fast track money. He's got paid for my funded futures a bunch of times. He's about to get paid with Take Profit Trader. Didn't you you got a bunch of money from Top Step. Like Alfred is basically where I want to be. He's where I'm aiming to go. So I look up to Alfred. You know what I mean? Like he's my coach, Coach Alfred. He's fucking killing it. Yeah, Gus, for real. I agree with you. Yo, Alfred, you fucking did not six. You did 5 figures last month. Maybe I shouldn't have said that on the stream. I'm Coach J. I'm the coach of not giving a fuck. I guess my way in. Yo, Vito got paid? Did he get paid for real? He said he didn't get paid yet. He said he didn't get paid yet. Did he get paid? Where did he say he got paid? I didn't see him say he got paid on the stream. Alfred got paid, though. Pine Tree didn't get paid. Send the MA to the bottom toolkit. It'll help. Where on TradingView, you mean? Like down here? I don't even really turn the moving averages on TradingView. Once in a while, I'll do this. I'll be like, oh, where are we at? Oh, okay, I see. And then I'll fucking move off of it. That's what I do a lot of times. Because it's just too much on here. But look at that. You see this? We fucking pumped all the way up to the 200. It's funny how that was the top. The 200 on the fucking 15 is where we rejected. Yo, what's the Twitter handle? ZERODAYJay here. I'll drop the link in there. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free to join. Right here. Yeah, I'm starting to post more on Twitter. Trying to get to 100 followers. Oh, did he really? Where's Vito at? Anyway, yeah, I don't see it. I thought he came on the stream and said he hasn't gotten paid yet. I don't know. I'll ask him when I see him again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also, yeah. Yo. Man, I can't. Altididactic trading, coach Altididactic. Post it in, join the Discord if you can, and post it in there too. So everybody in the Discord could benefit from it potentially. Yeah, next week's gonna be fucking crazy. I don't know. I will pick. Forget bias, make money. Yeah. Yeah, there's so many things, man. There's so much shit. This looked like if we ran out of time, unfortunately, but we could have fucking curled back up and fucking did a double, a fucking whack Arnold's W here. But that's not how it played out. We ran out of time. But anyway, guys, I gotta fucking go. I gotta make my update videos. I got a lot of videos I gotta make. I gotta make 1, 2, 3, 4. Not making Top Step videos because fuck them. They want me to give away the milk for free. I don't do that. But I got to make 4 videos before Trade of 8 starts updating and shit. So once again, thank you for hopping back on because I did get cut off. I don't know what happened, but thank you for hopping back on. Thanks for hanging out in the first one too if you were there. I appreciate all you guys. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys back on Sunday. Come hang out in the Discord if you want. Yeah, I'll be back on for London. Sometime around London, I'll be on and I'll be hanging out in the Discord for sure. Scheming and scamming, earning and burning. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out.